What's up guys, welcome back to my channel, and behind me is my American lemon which is about a year and a half old na tinransfer ko sa soil. So what I'm going to do with it, since it's not yet flowering, magpo-prune tayo to induce flowering in this American lemon. So stay tuned and watch this. Guys, ito na yung American lemon na pinutol natin. So after ako nag-prune, our next approach would be mag-apply tayo ng Osmocote or complete fertilizer na slow release. Ganito lang kadami yung bibigay ko. So kasi kailangan niya ng energy, na stress out siya. Okay? So we're going to, ito nagdig na ako ng holes, 3. And ito yung ugat ng American lemon, makikita nyo naman. So nandyan na yung mga ugat. So you can observe na maliliit ang ugat ng American lemon, you see there. So dahan-dahan lang para huwag masyadong tamaan. There, naputol nga that's American lemon na ugat. There. And here also well. There. Okay. So apply lang ng slow release to, guys. So yan lang kadami, masyadong yan cover. Medyo maraming bato tong lupa namin dito sa bahay, pero okay naman. Tsaka ito pala yung mga patay na dahon, ginawa kong mulching. Okay, cover. Maulan naman ngayon, ideally for we're not supposed to induce pruning kasi maulan. Dapat kasi dalawa yun, 2 factors. It should be minimizing water supply at saka mag-prune ka para ma-stress siya. It will induce flowering. Okay, pero in this case wala na akong choice, masyado nang matagal. So trial ko lang to kasi di talaga siya namumunga. Binigyan ko naman ng maayos na fertilization dati, lumaki ng lumaki, hindi nga na namumulaklak. Okay, now balik uli yung mulching. Oops, right. Okay, right guys, so ito na siya ngayon after pruning. May nag-apply tayo ng mulching dito baba. So fertilization as well is very important. Okay, key takeaways ng ginawa nating pruning is dapat ginagawa ito during summer, kasi sa summer you can control the water supply. Ngayon kailangan ko itong gawin kahit maulan. I'm just going to try this out kung anong effect, if it's going to induce flowering sa American lemons natin. So yung ginawa ko again, nag-fertilize tayo after nag-pruning tayo. Supposedly i-limit ang water supply. Uuhawin natin ang halaman para mas-stress siya, tapos mag-i-induce din ng flowering. So I cannot control the rain, kaya complete ang supply niya sa tubig kasi umuulan almost every day dito sa amin in the past few days during the night, pero hopefully mag-induce siya ng flower. Hanggang dito na lang muna guys. I will keep you posted, and until our next video regarding the updates sa American lemon natin. Have a good day everyone and happy farming!